has a bunch of bullet holes. Both doors got shot up. This rear door got shot, 1, 2. The front door got one here, and then got one here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just get I'm round in the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
All right, I have a Chevy Impala here. This one got tagged in the back, and it buckled the rear body panel on both sides, wadded it up pretty good. So this one's gonna get a new rear body panel. I have that new panel right here, and then it also gets a repair on the bottom portion of the trunk lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this back panel cut off, and we will go from there. Alright, so I've been trying to fit this trunk lid up, and I'm having a problem with the bottom of the trunk lids wanting to sit in from the taillights. And the problem is, it's not uncommon. Sometimes when these get hit right here and get drove in enough, they'll take this deck lid and it'll bend it somewhere in the middle. You won't see anything wrong with it, but it's bowed in the middle. And that's exactly what happened with this one. Whenever it got hit, it pulled that in and bent it somewhere in the middle, and it's bowed. And there's almost impossible to get these to bend back. So I'm gonna go talk to the office and see what they want to do, but it sounds like we're gonna be putting a new trunk lid on this one. All right, I have an interesting one here. This one has a bunch of bullet holes. Both doors got shot up. You can see here. This rear door got shot. 1, 2. Looks like something might have bounced and hit there. So the rear door has 3 holes in it, and they came out the back side. And then also the front door got one here, and then got one here, and they came out the back side. So I got 2 used doors here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take these apart. I'm gonna get them fit up to the truck, get them fitting correctly, and then get them cleaned up. Basically all this one gets is both doors, and we blend the fender, blend the cab corner, and a bunch of parts, a bunch of glass cleanup. So anytime you're replacing doors, you always want to start with the rear door first, because the cab corner, or on a normal car, the quarter panel, it's stationary. There's no adjustment in it. So you want to adjust the rear door to get the gap to match that, and then you adjust the front door to match the rear door, because the fender has adjustment in it. Not a lot of adjustment on these particular trucks, but the majority of cars all have lots of adjustment on the fenders. So you always start with the rear door first, get it lining up, and work your way forward. So I'm going to try to, you can see the gap's wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. I'm going to kick this door down a little bit. It's looking pretty good. Perfect. All right, I got both of these doors lined out. All my gaps are looking good. So I'm going to lift these doors back off and get them cleaned up and primed up. But that will be for tomorrow. That's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.